Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. And today's video is going to be a much awaited video. I'm going to be picking the winners for Jingle Lill series. Today's video is going to be days 1 through 6. Tomorrow's video is going to be day 7 through 12. I figured I split it into 2 videos. I wanted to also get on here and apologize for being MIA, but I just needed a much needed break, you guys. Between all the series that I was working on, my Patreon, just everything, the holidays, my personal life, it just became too much. And I like to deep clean my house at the beginning of the year and kind of like switch up some decor. So I've been doing that and I'm not done yet. So that's why I haven't filmed or gotten crafty, because I just have to take out all my Christmas stuff, put it away, take out my Valentine's Day stuff. So definitely stay tuned for Valentine's Day videos, Valentine's Day stash, all that good stuff. But let's get on with the winners, because I know you guys are super anxious. I will be picking the Cricut winner from the birthday challenge sometime this weekend, because I have not, being completely honest, sat down and gone through all the points, because a lot of you did VR, so you get extra points. I have to put your names twice in the random selector. And yeah, so I haven't had a chance to sit down and actually do that, and I want to make sure that I don't miss anybody and pick the correct winner. That winner is actually, I'm going to, once I pick it, communicate and figure out how I'm going to have it sent directly to your house. Or if you're an international winner, then I'm going to either PayPal you the money to purchase it. We'll figure that out when I pick out the winner. And then my Jingle Lill's winners, I will be sending out the stuff. I'm not going to be sending it out like tomorrow, you guys. I have no packaging for this stuff. I need to buy mailers and I have tons of packages to mail out. So I just need you to be patient with me. They will go out, but just please be patient. It's super hectic after the holidays, and shipping stuff, a bunch of stuff, is super expensive. But everything will go out little by little, and it will soon reach your lucky hands, because these are winners. So the first winners of days 1 through 6, I've already selected them. Stay tuned for the next clip and you'll see me actually, my daughter's filming me, showing you guys who won days 1 through 6. So I hope you guys get excited. And I'll be back after that clip and show you guys the prizes again, how I've packaged them up. Okay guys, so you now know who won. Yay to all the winners. So we have day 1, Janaea. Yay, Janaea. We have day 2, Sue Vang. So Janaea won the mini album from day 1, which is like this. It's a cute little tassel. And then Sue Vang, she won day 2, which is the advent calendar with all the goodies inside. And then day 3 is Susan Hagstrom, and Susan won, let me see, I'm looking at she won the tags, which looks like this. Super fun. And then day 4 is My Crafty Sides, and she won the pocket letter, and that is packaged up like this. And then we have let me see, that was day 4. Day 5 is Northern Born Southern Roots, and let me see what day 5 is. It's the Christmas cards, which are these right here. And then day 6 is Lisa Gerard, and Lisa won the envelope embellishments, and they're all here packaged up. There's 3 of them, nicely packaged. So those are the winners from day 1 through 6. I'm going to have them linked down below. I need you guys to email me your info, your addresses, and as soon as I get the chance, I will mail these out. They will definitely be out this month, you guys. I just need you to be patient with me. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video, where I'll be announcing day 7 through 12. And hopefully this weekend, crossing my fingers that I finish all my tasks on time, I'll pick... I don't even think there's going to be a live this weekend, you guys, because there's so much to do that I have. That doesn't make sense. There's so much I have to do. Oh my gosh, I can't even speak. But also I have prizes from my lives. Those are still here, you guys. I haven't shipped anything. I need mailers and I haven't purchased them. So whoever won the Valentine's Day collections from my live, I need to package them up and get those out as well as some other little embellishments from my previous live of the winners. Because if you guys don't know, on my live I do give away whatever we create from me and wifey. And for example, this past weekend we didn't do anything, so I gave away a cute little Valentine's Day kit from the new Echo Park Be My Valentine collection. So yeah, you guys, I hope you're excited. Congratulations to all the winners, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.